We are here at the College of Southern Idaho and at the Planetarium. We are taking the kids to, well, they got a museum here, but they also have a theater room, and so we're going to bring them to a show here at the Planetarium. We did this about 4 years ago. We saw a dinosaur one, and it was pretty cool. And this is a beautiful campus, and like always, it is windy in Twin Falls. Every time I come here, it's always windy. Planetarium. Hey, it's just a family. Key? What key?
This key.
Oh, it's a ticket.
I know what they are because I watched a video about this leopard gecko at Animal Wonders.
So you know it's a leopard gecko, but did you read that it was a leopard gecko? King James.
Well, I knew it was a leopard.
Facts. Some monarch butterflies migrate up to 3,000 miles each fall from Canada to past Mexico, where they gather by land.
Yeah, they actually go.
Michoacan? I'm butchering it. In Peru. So this area is about, okay, Jim. Just got done with the planetarium and gonna go get some food now. We are hungry. I did not have breakfast. And the boys are ready to go. Hi. You getting your vest all done?
Corbin!
Getting all that, you getting your vest all done? Getting knocked out?
That's fun. Look at my spot, Dad.
I see that. Hey, guess what? It's windy.
Chopper.